So you want to apply for Beacon, but you have no idea where to start on your video submission. Well, it's a lot easier than you think. Now, before you go picking up a camera, make sure you understand all the guidelines for the project before starting. The video must be up to 90 seconds in length and must communicate to the audience one of the 5 storm traits. When you've selected a storm trait, you'll want to begin to make a plan and write a script. Your video can be structured in any way you want as long as it gets the point across. Don't worry, we don't expect you to be an expert in creating videos. That's why you're applying for Beacon in the first place. However, if you feel uncomfortable with filming, you can always choose to write a personal statement instead, in which you describe your career goals in video production, describe what interests you in digital media, and is 300 words or less. After you've finished planning, you can grab a friend or a family member and begin filming. From a DSLR to just a phone camera, you can use any recording device you have available. Once you have produced all your video clips, you now have the option to edit. Don't stress, submitting an unedited video is fine as well. If you choose to edit, there are many free editing software and apps that are free to download, such as Windows Movie Maker, iMovie, and even Adobe Premiere Clip in the App Store. If you have any questions on how to put your clips together, there are thousands of tutorial videos on how to use these programs online. When exporting, the video formatting should be in MP4 if possible. And then you're done. The final step is to submit your project online. Just visit the U46 website, click on the Departments tab, click High School Academies, and press Academy Application. Congrats! You are now one step closer to becoming a Beacon student. If you have any questions, you can email the chair of Beacon, Carrie Crow, or you can come to the open house on September 17th. We hope we see you soon and good luck.